This is waya weaver bird nest, beautifully engineered bird nest in the world. This next structure is shaped like bottle shape, has round egg chamber at the top, and helmet stage the first incomplete half bull structure by the male. Egg chamber enclosed round space where egg are laid. Tunnel entrance and balcony in this structure. The material are used in Baya weaver. Next is paddy leaves, grass, blends, palm floats, sugarcane leaves like cotton and fiber. The wave by knotting the interlacing strands with their bricks. No claws or tool used. It's built by the male Baya weaver.